Hi there. In this beautiful morning, I want to really let you feel what kind of beauty of the nature can unfold to you. If you're wise enough, smart enough, and fortunate enough, you spend some minutes or some hours in this beautiful nature, you can really enjoy heavenly life. You can be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Love, fame, and fortune at your steps because sound mind in a sound body. And I really invite you and welcome you in this video to see the beauty of the trees, the blowing of the wind, and the chirping of the birds and the twittering of the different insects, the tiny birds. And if you are really having a beautiful sight, look at the hillock in front of you. You can see peacocks. They are sitting there and really enjoying the beautiful sun bask in this beautiful environment. This is Nani city, spread over some 20 square kilometers, and it is a developed area, but only on paper. Physically it is as it is, you are able to see that. But it is heaven for Virendra Yogi. I spend every morning in this beautiful nature. So my mind becomes saturated with positive thoughts. Health, wealth, peace, prosperity, and joy, they all become my companion. Lovely friends, you can see some of my companions. They are all integral part of my life. I focus there on one Doberman. Faith, Faith, Faith. Look at Faith and another Rottweiler. They are the integral part of my morning venture to the nature. They all enjoy with me. But I love you also very much. I love you really. Why don't you enjoy this nature? Why don't you open your mind? Let your ear listen to the birds of the twittering, chirping sounds and the vibrating leaves of the trees, teaching you some lessons, how you can maintain a sound physical health, positive mental attitude, budgeting your time and energy, and defining your life. Who are you? A lifter or a leaner? A successful person or a failed person? A man who has taken full possession of his mind and allowing you to really attain everything in life. So you have to define yourself, my friends. And this beautiful nature can really cooperate with you and help you to become a definite personality who has defined his life, thought, words, and action. And he has tremendous contribution to himself by being healthy, happy, and wise, and serving the mankind with genuine interest. And now I leave you, dear friends, with one of the great poems of Ella Wheeler Wilcox. It's very interesting. She says in that poem, "Wings of fate." You can read yourself. Its purpose is very clear. It is the set of your souls that defines your goals and not the common strife. One ship drives east, another drives west, with the self-same wind that blows. It is the set of the sails and not the gales that tells us the way to go. Like the winds of seas are the ways of life. Like the winds of seas are the ways of fate. As we voyage along through life, it is set of the souls that defines the goals and not the common strife. You have to define yourself. Who are you? That is only my purpose. And if you ask me, who are you? You are a great man. Blessed with the power of your mind. But you have to take full possession of your mind, body, and soul and combine them together and really do wonders for this planet Earth. Because you may be inspired by the millions great people. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Footprints that perhaps another you can really follow and you can really glorify your life, which will give you dignity, honor and pride. And the coming generation, the prodigy will never forgive you if you don't do this. And they will never forget you if you do that. Take the full responsibility of your life. Listen to the sounds of the nature. They are dynamic. Everything is in action. And learn from Gita. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phalesu kadachano ma karmafal hetu bhu ma te sango asta karmani. Your duty is to perform your task, setting a definite goal and purpose in life without worrying about the result of your action. And if you're crowned with success, you have to give full credit to the infinite intelligence, the universal laws, the laws of your cause and effect, sowing and reaping, the law of compensation. And you will never allow yourself and permit yourself to be inefficient, inactive, drifting in the uncertainty of your life, because you have definitely a goal in your life. And your alliance partner will always inspire and motivate you to become a force to reckon with. And this all comes if you become a natural person. So your nature is to be inventor, thinker, philosopher, poet, and everything what can really adorn your life with wonderful attitudes, wonderful traits, characteristics. Thank you very much for being a natural man, a pure man with a virgin mind, full of purity, joy, serenity, calm. But remember, wherever you are, in whichever circumstances you may live, know it. In the ocean of life, the isles of blessedness are smiling. Keep your hand firmly on your noble thoughts. The happy ideals, the sunny environment and the beautiful greeneries always tell you, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but you must have a promise to keep, and miles to go before you sleep and pass away from this earth. Miles to go and miles to go and miles to go and miles to go. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I and you. Two roads diverge in a wood and you. You must take the one which is less traveled by, and that will make the real difference. Be not conformist. Take your own initiative. Believe in your own power. Trust thyself, man, trust thyself. And if you have learned John Flaker poem, then remind yourself. Man is his own star. And the soul that can render honest a perfect man commands all light, all influence and fate. And nothing comes to him early or late. Our acts, our angels are. Good or ill. Our acts, our angels are for good or ill. And the fatal shadows that walk us by still, beloved friends. Life is transitory. Anytime we can pass away. So catch the larks before the sun shines. Time is fleeting. Make the best use of it. Enjoy your life. Be happy. Fill your mind with positive thoughts. That is only possible once you are true to your nature. Do yoga. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Tatha drashtu swarupe swasthanam. Our natural tendency is to be calm, peaceful, harmony, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Develop that attitude by meditation. Dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Live a life which is fragrant, pleasant, healthy, happy, harmonious, peaceful, joyful, like these chirping birds, like these green trees, and like these Doberman and one Indian great breed. And another superstar like stand still like the rocks, like that Rottweiler. See how serene they are. They are enjoying nature. Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. You like to see me? Dear friends, this is your servant who salutes you and respect and regard you.